Hello to everyone, I'm Giovanni.
And I'm Nicole, and we are the leader of the project SCI Fi, Science for Inclusion.
Our project takes place in a social farm in Colloredo del Friuli, northeast of Italy. In our project, we want to combine two different fields, new digital technologies and social inclusion services.
The aim of SCI is to create a community of practice promoting environmental preservation by implementing sustainable agriculture through the use of new technologies and by integrating people with different vulnerabilities.
We are using tools for social inclusion so that people with mental health disorders can become the main protagonist of the scientific process.
In our region, there is a wide rural area and there is a high consumption of water and chemical products for agriculture. Digital technologies can help in reducing the impact of agriculture on the environment. Nevertheless, there is a lack of trust in using these technologies, and this is due to difficulties of different words to communicate.
We want to contribute to reduce the digital divide
And bring people closer to the scientific world.
We are creating an alternative way to communicate scientific data, combining art and science in a socially inclusive environment. We are working in cooperation and not competition, using an inclusive communication, giving at first importance to people. The next footage, as well as the logo, is made by social workers and vulnerable people as citizen scientists.
Qui a Colloredo cosa si fa? Lavoriamo con le mani, nei campi, nelle vigne, con le api, con gli asini e soprattutto con quelle tecnologie che servono a convivere assieme agli altri, come gli strumenti che utilizziamo per stare assieme.
Favorevoli e quindi in realtà un po' è morto da sé e evidentemente ha fatto di nuovo freddo, adesso io non mi ricordo le condizioni climatiche a aprile, no? Evidentemente ha fatto di nuovo freddo, c'è stato un esploit a un certo punto a marzo di gioia per lui,
Poi è
che si è
tornato
riprodotto,
freddo,
poi è tornato
buio.